Limestone, which is primarily calcium carbonate, is a sedimentary rock made from the minerals calcite or aragonite. A large portion of limestone is made from the skeletal remains of sea creatures and organisms. What is different between ground calcium carbonate and precipitated calcium carbonate? Ground calcium carbonate (GCC) differs from precipitated calcium carbonate (PCC) in that the GCC is formed directly from grinding limestone rock into a powder, while PCC is chemically produced and precipitated out as powder. Ground calcium carbonate is used in paper, plastic, paints and coatings, adhesive and sealants. It is also used in cement, is converted to quicklime calcium oxide, and slaked lime calcium hydroxide. How do purchaser define quality and application with GCC? For application, having three primary attributes, particle size, color and chemical purity define the quality of the GCC, and define the suitability of use for any given application. Global Minerals' products are strictly monitored for compliance to regulatory requirements, such as ISO 9001-2015 and many other regulations. At Global Minerals, we are committed to answering any question that you might have about our product's compliance to a specific regulation. So, if you are looking for a professional manufacturer with your business, you should visit globalminerals.com.bn and contact with us. If you found the video helpful, just leave a thumbs up, subscribe and tell us which videos you want to see in the future.